Did you know that the inventor of bubble wrap initially tried to sell it as a textured wallpaper? Talk about a business pivot. Now, isn't that a delightful twist of fate? It just goes to show, in the world of entrepreneurship, adaptability is your best friend. You see, the path to success isn't always a straight line. It's filled with twists and turns, peaks and valleys, and sometimes a complete change in direction. Today, we're diving into the deep end of deciding what business to start. We'll explore the importance of finding your niche, understanding your market, and most importantly, adapting to change. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Entrepreneurship is a journey, not a destination. It's about learning, growing, and sometimes making textured wallpaper out of bubble wrap. So, if you're still trying to figure out what business to start, don't worry. Even the inventors of bubble wrap didn't get it right the first time. Before we dive in, let me introduce you to our Entrepreneur's Progress Diary available on Amazon. It's a roadmap to your prosperity and a must-have for every aspiring entrepreneur. Imagine having a guide that not only helps you keep track of your progress, but also aids in planning and executing your business ideas. That's what this diary is all about. It's like having a mentor in your pocket. And the beauty of it all? You're not alone on this journey. By subscribing to our channel and following us on social media, you'll be part of a vibrant community of go-getters, just like you. You'll receive daily entrepreneurship advice, tips, and strategies to keep you motivated and on track. It's like having a daily dose of entrepreneurial vitamins. So why wait? Start your journey today. Remember, a well-documented journey is a successful journey. Let's make your entrepreneurial journey a success together. Now, let's dive into the meat and potatoes of our discussion. How to decide what business to start. This is a question that keeps many aspiring entrepreneurs awake at night. But fear not, as we're here to guide you through this exciting journey. The first step in this process is to identify a market need. Start by asking yourself, what problems do people have that I can solve? The answer to this question could lead you to a profitable business idea. For example, if you notice that many people in your community struggle with finding reliable home cleaning services, there might be an opportunity for you to step in and fill that gap. Next, consider your personal skills and experiences. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These are important questions to answer because your business should not only be profitable, but also enjoyable for you to run. Let's say you're a whiz at baking and you love doing it. Perhaps starting a bakery or a dessert catering business could be a good fit for you. Also, take into consideration your financial resources. Starting a business often requires some form of investment. This could be in the form of money, time, or both. If you have a limited budget, it might be wise to start a business that requires low initial investment but has the potential for high returns. An example could be a dropshipping business where you sell products online without having to hold any inventory. Lastly, consider the competition. While it's true that competition can be healthy, it's also important to find a niche where you can stand out. This could mean offering a unique product or service, or simply doing it better than anyone else. In conclusion, deciding what business to start involves identifying a market need, leveraging your personal skills and experiences, considering your financial resources, and assessing the competition. It's a journey that requires careful thought and planning, but with the right approach, it can lead to a rewarding and successful entrepreneurial venture. Remember, the key is to find a niche where you can provide value and stand out from the competition. Now that you have a basic idea of what to look for, let's discuss some practical tips and strategies. Firstly, conduct thorough market research. This is the compass that guides your entrepreneurial ship. It's all about understanding the needs of your potential customers and how your product or service fits into the market landscape. Look at what's working for others in your desired industry, but don't forget to pinpoint their shortcomings as well. Those gaps could be your golden opportunities. Next up, create a robust business plan. This is your roadmap, your game plan. It outlines your business goals, the strategies to achieve them, and the resources needed. Remember, a well-drafted business plan isn't just for impressing investors. It's also a tool to keep you focused and on track as your business grows. Now, on to something often overlooked, seeking mentorship. A mentor can be an invaluable resource on your entrepreneurial journey. They've been where you are, made the mistakes, and come out the other side. Their advice can save you from costly errors and accelerate your progress. So, reach out to experienced professionals in your field, attend industry events, or join online forums. You'd be surprised how many people are willing to share their experiences. Lastly, we have networking. It's not just about who you know, but who knows you. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs, industry leaders, and potential customers can open doors to opportunities you never even knew existed. Attend networking events, join business associations, and don't be shy about getting your name out there. Before we wrap up, remember, entrepreneurship isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about resilience, persistence, and learning from every setback. So pace yourself, keep learning, and don't be afraid to pivot if necessary. With these strategies in your arsenal, you're well on your way to finding your perfect business idea. All right, let's do a quick recap of what we've covered today. We kicked off by exploring the concept of the unexpected entrepreneur, underscoring that anyone can embark on this exciting journey. Next, we delved into the invaluable resource that is the entrepreneur's progress diary. This diary is more than just a planner. It's a companion, guiding you through the highs and lows of entrepreneurship. We then dove into the heart of the matter, finding your business niche. Identifying a niche that aligns with your passions and skills is essential to creating a business that not only survives but thrives. Finally, we shared some practical tips and strategies to help you navigate the entrepreneurial landscape with confidence. Remember, entrepreneurship is a journey, not a destination. Adaptability, coupled with a clear vision, is your key to success. And don't forget to grab your copy of The Entrepreneur's Progress Diary on Amazon to guide you on your journey. Stay tuned for our next video, How to Start a Business with No Money.